Princess Elara, with hair like spun gold and a gown woven from moonlight and petals, ruled the Kingdom of Floralia. Her kingdom was a breathtaking spectacle of vibrant blossoms, glowing gardens, and butterflies with wings like stained glass. Elara possessed a unique gift, a deep connection to the very heart of nature. One day, a blight swept across the land, wilting the once vibrant flowers. Despair settled over Floralia. Elara, her heart heavy, journeyed to the blighted fields. With a gentle touch, she channeled her magic, whispering ancient words passed down through generations of flower queens. Slowly, miraculously, color returned to the petals. The flowers drank deeply of the revitalized earth, their blooms regaining their former glory. News of Elara's healing touch spread like wildfire. Creatures of the forest, their homes threatened by the blight, sought her aid. A family of pixies, their wings drooping, approached her, their tiny voices filled with worry. Elara, with a smile, used her magic to restore their wings, showering them with shimmering pollen. Her act of kindness brought joy to the forest, and the creatures helped her spread her healing magic across the land. Drought threatened next. Elara, standing atop the highest hill, raised her hands to the sky. With a gentle touch, she summoned rain clouds, their soft drops nourishing the thirsty soil. The land rejoiced, its vibrant colors intensified by the refreshing rain. Elara, her determination unwavering, continued to protect her kingdom, her love for nature a guiding force. She led her people not with authority but with understanding and kindness, fostering harmony and ensuring the well-being of each creature and flower. As the sun rose on a new day, casting a warm glow over Floralia, Princess Elara stood amidst a sea of blooming flowers. A smile played on her lips, reflecting the joy and peace that had returned to her magical kingdom. The sunrise painted the sky in breathtaking hues, a perfect ending to a day of restoration and harmony. Her reign was a testament to her unwavering love for nature and her people, a tale whispered on the wind through the fields of glowing petals. Elara, the princess who healed with a touch, continued to watch over her kingdom, ensuring its beauty and magic would last for generations to come. Her heart, filled with love and determination, beat in rhythm with the pulse of Floralia, forever intertwined with the vibrant life of her magical kingdom.